There's only one kite that really embodied the true spirit of kiteboarding the last 8 years running. Known for its spot-on performance in a super wide range of conditions, the Switchblade retains the title as our highest performance kite with the easiest handling. Built on our proven skeletal frame technology, the dynamic arc and 5-strut design offers rock-solid stability in flight while still providing an effortless relaunch. The Sprint inflation system and power control pigtails makes rigging and fine-tuning a breeze. But don't think we're about to rest on our laurels here. For 2014, we've built the Switchblade using our brand new 2DR double ripstop canopy material. We've refined the profile, outline, and bridling to work seamlessly with our new Overdrive 1X control system. These upgrades give the kite a significant boost in low-end power, provide fast and precise steering, and more direct feedback than ever before, all while keeping total control right at your fingertips.